Hola, clase. Hoy es lunes el 23 de noviembre, and we're all in learning distance mode now. So whether you're a distance learner or you've been with me in school, now we're all at home. So let's go. First of all, el plan para hoy, vamos a repasar. We're going to review days of the week, interrogative words, prepositions of place, and numbers. I don't know how I got this circle here, but it's here and it's going to stay because I can't get rid of it. The tarea, the homework is going to complete La Fotonovela and the 3 activities in vhlcentral.com. So it's already assigned and in your dashboard. The prueba, there's a quiz this Wednesday on palabras interrogativas. That's question words. That's this Wednesday. And then in other important news, the final exam is December 2nd, Wednesday, for hours 2 and 4, and Thursday, December 3rd, for hour 5. Now, if you're a distance learner, remember you were assigned to hour 2, 4, or 5. So if you need and you don't know which one you're in, you have to go back to student view and figure that out, okay? So let's review really quickly. Los días de la semana. Tenemos lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Here's some questions. ¿Cuántos días hay en una semana? ¿Cuántos días hay una semana? Semana, hay 7 días, okay? Hay 7 días en una semana. So there are 7 days in a week, okay? ¿Cuántas horas hay en un día? Hay 24 horas en un día. ¿Cuántos días hay en diciembre? Pues hay 31 días en diciembre. Y una pregunta para ustedes, a question for you guys. ¿Qué días te gustan más, the most? So if you were going to talk about Mondays, we would say los lunes. Wednesdays would be los miércoles. Para mí, me gustan más los sábados. Es mi día favorito, ¿ok? ¿Cuáles días de la semana hay escuela? Hay escuela, there is school, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, y viernes. Okay? And then we have some interrogative word practice. So here they are, a dónde, cómo, cuál, cuáles, cuándo, cuánto o cuánta, cuántos, cuántas, de dónde, por qué, quién, and quiénes. Here's some questions. Blank, ¿te gusta la clase de español? Look at the answer. It says, me gusta la clase porque es interesante. So you have to figure out what would go in this blank. If you have this answer, me gusta la clase porque es interesante. What do you think goes here then? Think about it. If you see porque, that means because in your answer. You're going to probably need a why. ¿Por qué te gusta la clase de español? Why do you like Spanish? Okay, the next one is, blank es la profesora de español. La señora Nigard es la profesora de español. So if you have somebody's name, it might be a quién. ¿Quién es la profesora de español? Then blank materias tomas. Remember, materias is another word for cursos o clases. Tomo 5. La clase de inglés, historia, arte, física, y la educación física. So when they say 5, that's probably asking how many. So which one would we choose? Would it be cuánto, cuánto, cuántos, or cuántas? You have materias here. It's plural and it's feminine. We would say cuántas. How many? ¿Cuántas materias tomas? Okay. All right. Here's that question song. You can listen to this on your own. I'm going to skip over it right now. You can do that later. Okay. Same thing with this gal. I'm going to pause her. Remember, we had questions, prepositions that use the verb estar. So all of these, remember, izquierda, derecha, delante, detrás, cerca y lejos y algo más, abajo, arriba, enfrente, encima, debajo, entre, al lado, y ya. If you want to remember how to learn how to do that, you can watch the preposition chant, okay? Here's some questions right here. I want you to select which preposition makes the most sense. If we have Target, the store, está, we would say lejos o al lado de la escuela. What makes the most sense? So if we look up, okay, lejos means what? Means far, right? Okay, Target está lejos de la escuela, o Target está al lado de la escuela. That's next to. I would go with lejos. Okay, target está lejos de la escuela. Let's look at the next one. La puerta principal, that's the main door of the school, está detrás. Detrás means behind. Encima, on top, o delante de la escuela. We would probably say in front of the school. Okay, la puerta principal está delante de la escuela. And then finally, en la escuela, la biblioteca está arriba o debajo de la clase de español. Now, my distance learners might not know because you didn't have me in class this try because you weren't here. There might be some of you were here, but our library is on the second floor and Spanish class is on the third floor. So we would say, en la escuela, la biblioteca está debajo de la clase de español. All right, here's some big numbers. ¿Cuáles números son? What you're going to do on your own is take a piece of scratch paper and write the number out in numeral format and then check your answers on the next page. So there's a bunch of questions or numbers here and you can use your notes for it and then check the answers. I'm going to go really fast so you don't see those. And let's get to our homework. Okay, so what you are going to do is click this below if, well, everyone's going to need it. You can either click here or below to access the YouTube video that explains the fotonovela prior to viewing it in VHL Central. It's fantastic pronunciation practice too. So I go through the slides before you watch the fotonovela because the fotonovela is, it's quick, they speak fast, and there's a lot of vocab in it. So you're going to watch this before you go to the fotonovela exercises. So I'm going to let you do that on your own, but literally you'll go through this and watch it on your own, okay? And there's the beginning. It's just me talking. Okay. Then after you're done with that video, then you'll go to the fotonovela video and complete the following activities in vhlcentral.com. So this is the fotonovela itself, and then you have 3 different activities, and they are due tomorrow morning at 9:30. And so, did you practice? Yes, we did. Did you view that video? You'll have to go out of here and go back into the Google slideshow for today and find that slide and just watch that video. I'm going to actually connect it to, just link it to our lesson plan. You can just watch it there as well. You're welcome. And then view the fotonovela and complete the homework, that 3 activities that go with it. And that is to be completed by 9:30 tomorrow morning. Entonces, es todo. Hasta luego. Adiós.